Peace and love, everyone. This is Sister Iman. I am dropping another video. In this video, those who live in New York City, there was a mandate that went in effect last month for private sector companies with employees that they must take the juice or the company will face a fine up to $5,000. Now, there's a one class action lawsuit filed by a real estate firm, and I'm going to read this article. New York City hit with class action lawsuit over private employer juice mandate. A real estate firm in New York City has lodged a class action lawsuit over the city's C-19 juice mandate for private employers, alleging it violates the U.S. Constitution. Cornerstone Realty, a Staten Island broker, filed the lawsuit obtained by the Epoch Times on Tuesday. It takes aim at a mandate issued by former Mayor Bill de Blasio and continued by Mayor Eric Adams, both Democrats. The juice rule forces businesses to verify that their workers have gotten the C-19 juice and to exclude from the workplace any worker who does not provide the juice verification. It applies to every business that has one or more worker as well as self-employed individuals and sole practitioners who interact with workers or the public in the course of their business. The order was meant to protect the public against an existing threat, even though studies show the juice don't protect against transmission of the Omicron variant of the CCP virus. Even more problematic, plaintiffs said in a new suit, is the lack of process for employers to challenge the rule, robbing their rights to be heard that's laid out in the procedural due process clause of the 14th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution. Cornerstone Realty has 13 workers. Not all of them have provided verification of the juice. The real estate agent must frequently for work and cannot work remotely, their employer says. Thus, any worker who doesn't comply with the order must be terminated. If Cornerstone Realty is forced to terminate its employees without any notice, period, Cornerstone Realty suffers an immediate harm because in the current market, it can take up to 6 months to hire a real estate agent, the suit states. Further, the business said it was not notified before the juice mandate went in effect on December 27, 2021. The suit asked the court to award damages and block enforcement of the mandate, the first of a kind on the city level. President Joe Biden issued a similar order for all companies with 100 or more employees that the Supreme Court is set to hear arguments on during a session on Friday. The responsibility of the health commissioner to protect the public doesn't stop at the doors of a private workplace. Mandating the juice for city workers and private sector workers who interact with others is key to our fight against COVID and furthering the city recovery, a spokesperson for the New York City Law Department told the Epoch Times in an email. The mandate has been applied fairly across industries, and we are confident it will survive any legal challenge. The case was assigned to U.S. District Judge Ann Donnelly, an Obama nominee. So that was the article that I read that this real estate firm, they had filed a class action lawsuit against the city of New York because their rights are being violated. Not just their right, everybody's rights is being violated. These people in power, we got to fight against the center of deception and corruption. We cannot let these people win. We cannot let these people dictate our livelihood. That's all I have to say. Tell me what you think and leave a comment. What I'm going to do, I'm going to post a link to this article under the video title. I'm going to close it out. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.